Right-click on layer and make it a smart object. Then go to Filter, Pixelate, and Mezzotint. Choose medium lines and press OK. Then go to Filter, Blur, and Radial Blur. Follow these settings, and press OK. Again go to Filter, and repeat same steps. Now go to Filter, Distort, and Twirl. Change the value to 53 and press OK. Double-click on Radial property. And change the blending mode to Lighten. And press OK. Double-click on Smart Object and drag any image which you want. Press Ctrl S to save. And we are done. Subscribe for more tutorials.